Hi everyone, it's Tish with Naptime Creations. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. And if you're new, don't forget to subscribe. It's free and it'll help me out a lot, so hit that subscribe button. Today we're going to be making some holographic resin ornaments, so let's jump in and get started. I went ahead and mixed up my resin off camera just to save time, but if you're new to resin, I will link one of my mixing tutorials down below in the description box. In that video, I show you step by step how I mix my resin. On this project, I'm going to be using the liquid diamonds resin, and I just had clear resin mixed with glitter. And all of these glitters you can get from my Etsy shop. I have quite a few different colors available for purchase in my Etsy. The first one that I used, the teal, was called Tropicana, and this one here is called All the Rainbows. All the glitters I'm using today are all holographic, and they're mixology glitters, so they have different sizes in the glitter, making them super sparkly and beautiful. This purple that I'm going to be using is called Plum Sparkle. Absolutely gorgeous. This one's one of my favorites. I'm just going to pour it into the mold and fill up the mold, and I was pouring pretty slowly. I wanted to kind of let the resin self level out a bit and get into the top area where the ornament hangs up, and then add a little bit more if I needed to. I didn't want to overfill the molds. It's okay if you do, but it's a bit of a pain to clean up the overspill if you fill up your molds. So I like to just pour a little, let it level out, and then add more if I need to. And I'm going to let these sit for about 15 minutes. That'll give time for any bubbles to rise up to the surface. I'm going to spray the wet resin with a little 91% isopropyl alcohol to pop those bubbles, and then we'll be ready to take them out of the mold. I let them cure overnight. This is the next day. I was really excited to see how these turned out. I just love this color. Super beautiful. And this mold is from Molds and Shapes. It has the holographic effect inside the mold, so anything you make inside this mold is going to turn out holographic. Basically, I like to think of the holographic as a micro texture or a fine texture, and that texture transfers to your resin, making your creations holographic. And with that being said, you cannot top coat or pour over any pieces made in holographic molds, or that holographic effect will disappear. It'll basically take away that micro texture and it won't be holographic anymore. So just keep that in mind. You cannot top coat or pour over your holographic pieces. But these are so fun, perfect for the holidays, so easy to make as well. Definitely check out my Etsy shop. I have a few different colors of glitter available. I think this Plum Sparkle one is my favorite. I just love the color. I'm going to show you how I finish these up. All the products I use to finish my ornaments, I get them off Amazon. I'll link them down below as well. I like to keep everything as simple and easy as possible. So to hang my ornaments, I like to use this little twine. You can get it off Amazon. Like I said, it comes on a really big roll. You get a lot for around $5, I want to say. So I just cut off a piece, kind of put it in the little hole there. I'm going to do a double knot right here, making sure that I keep both sides equal, because I'm going to add another knot at the top. Do a little knot and then cut off the excess, and you're good to go. You could definitely use ribbon. You could use whatever you want. This is just what I like to use. And then I'm going to take a little bow. I actually found these off Amazon as well. They come in a pack of 4 different colors, and these are meant to go on like your Christmas tree. So they do have a little like twist tie on the back of them. So what I do is I just twist this like this, just give it a good twist to make sure that those 2 pieces are stuck together or bound together. Trim off the excess. And then I'm going to take a little bit of hot glue and use this on the ornament. Super easy. Again, you can make your own bows if you want to. I just like to do it this way. It's the easiest way I found, and this 4-pack of bows off Amazon was really affordable, so I like to do it this way. But you can do whatever you want. If you want to get ribbon and make your own bows, definitely you could do it. Hot glue those on here as well. And you could trim the little tails of the bow if you want to, or do a dovetail if you want, but I like to leave them just like this. I did the rest of them off camera. Here's how they turned out. Super pretty. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments, and if you have any questions, I'll be sure to link this mold down below in the description box. They have a lot of really cool holographic molds on their website. They're so fun and so easy to use, and the holographic effect is just so beautiful. And let me know which color is your favorite down in the comments. Do you like this one, the Tropicana, the silver, all the rainbows, or the purple plum sparkle piece? I'm kind of torn in between the purple and the teal. I really love how the holographic effect looks on this one, but let me know which one's your favorite down in the comments. Thanks for watching. I hope you guys are all doing great, and I'll see you soon for another video.